Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to add funds to your Roblox group. Now, in order to add funds to your Roblox group, first you have to build a group. In order to do that, first go to the official Roblox website and make sure that you're logged into your account with your main ID. After that, on the left hand side of the screen, there is a button called Groups. After going to Groups, press on click Create a Group. The name can be anything. I'll just type in Kraken's group, which is my username. And in the description, you can describe about your Roblox group. After the description, you can select an emblem from your PC as an image, and you'll need 100 Roblox to open the group. After making the group, in order to add funds, you can upload various clothings for sale. As an example, here you can see a clothing which is being sold for 5 Robux. You can sell clothings like these in order to add funds to your Roblox group. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.